Understanding the importance of tire safety is essential. Everyone needs to know how to inspect their tires and check for proper inflation. Let's first go over a short history of tire evolution. The first practical tire was made in 1888 in Scotland by John Dunlop, owner of a veterinary practice. It was an effort to prevent the headaches of his 10-year-old son Johnny while riding his tricycle on rough pavements. As automobiles grew larger, heavier, and more powerful, car tires also needed to become stronger. In 1905, tire makers introduced the first treaded tires. These tires featured a durable, stiff tread on the outer edge of the tire. The tread absorbed the initial shocks and wear from the road, protecting the rest of the tire from road damage. In 1946, Michelin developed the radial tire. Because of its superiority in handling and fuel economy, the use of this technology quickly spread throughout the world. The tread is the part of the tire that comes in contact with the road surface. The portion that is in contact with the road at a given instant in time is the contact patch. The tire patch size changes by both overinflation and underinflation. Increased tire pressure may decrease rolling resistance and result in shorter stopping distances. If tire pressure decreases, the tire contact patch is significantly increased. Underinflation is a leading cause of tire failure and rollover crashes. Much research has gone into tread design. That's why we have tires for different road surfaces and conditions. Treads maintain grip while focusing on decreasing rolling resistance, the physical force that taxes a vehicle to produce more energy. The friction between the tire and road surface directly influences fuel consumption, so the optimal tire tread pattern maintains safety and performance for a given road condition while limiting the resistance. Tread wear. There are several types of abnormal tread wear. Poor wheel alignment, gravel roads, and rocky terrain cause accelerated wear. Both overinflation and underinflation are also both leading causes of excessive wear. Check tread wear. Place a Lincoln penny head down in the groove between the treads. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, your tire probably needs to be replaced. To maintain tire health, several actions are required. Rotation tires may exhibit irregular wear patterns once installed on a vehicle and partially worn. Front-wheel drive vehicles tend to wear the front tires at a greater rate than the rear tires. Tire rotation is moving the tires to different car positions, such as front to rear, to even out the wear to extend the tire's life. Wheel alignment. Does your vehicle pull to one side when you're driving straight? This can indicate that the tires are out of alignment. Wheel alignment is part of standard automobile maintenance that consists of adjusting the angles of wheels to the car manufacturer's specifications. The manufacturer's recommended tire pressure is located on a decal inside the driver's door or in the vehicle owner's handbook. Tires should not be inflated to the pressure on the sidewall, as this is the maximum pressure and not the manufacturer's recommended PSI for that particular vehicle. Tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, are electronic systems in your car that monitor the tire pressures on individual wheels. If you see the sensor warning light come on, you need to check your tires immediately. Older vehicles may not have sensors, so you need to do a visual check of your tires each day before driving. And use the tire pressure gauge to check for proper inflation at least once a month or any time the tires appear low. Check the pressure of all your tires monthly. Check your tire pressure before making a long trip. Check to make sure the lug nuts are tight. Check your tire pressure when tires are cool. Remember, tire care and maintenance not only ensure your safety but also contribute to the overall performance and longevity of your vehicle. Make it a habit to prioritize regular inspections, proper tire pressure, rotation, alignment, and tread depth checks to enjoy a smooth and secure driving experience.